Hello students. Today let's learn the fourth lesson of geography, air pressure. While learning the air pressure, let's do one activity. Take a flying lantern, tie an approximately 5-meter long thread to the flying lantern so that you can bring the lantern down whenever required. After carefully reading the instructions given on the package of the lantern, open it and light the candle placed in it and observe what happens. Now let's see the geographical explanation behind it. The air in the flying lantern gets heated once the candle is lit. The hot air expands, becomes lighter and starts moving up. Therefore, the lantern is also lifted up towards the sky. In nature too, a similar phenomenon occurs. Temperature and air pressure are closely related. Whenever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. As the temperature rises, the air gets heated, expands and becomes lighter. This lighter air in the vicinity of the Earth's surface starts moving up towards the sky. As a result, the air pressure in such areas decreases. Now, observe these two images carefully. Temperature zones and pressure belts are interrelated to each other, but the latitudinal extent of the temperature zone is much larger while pressure belts are narrow. The uneven distribution of temperature influences the distribution of air pressure too. This leads to the formation of low and high pressure belts horizontally between the equator and the poles. Students, observe these images and I'll ask some questions. First question, which pressure belt is mainly found in the tropics? Equatorial low pressure belt is mainly found in the tropics. Second question, with which pressure belt are the polar winds associated? Answer, the polar winds are associated with the polar high pressure belt. Third question, in which temperature zone are the polar winds observed? Answer, the polar winds are observed in frigid zone. Fourth question, what could be the reason behind a low pressure belt in the tropics? Answer, in the tropics, between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the sun rays can be perpendicular. Hence, air in this region gets heated. It expands and becomes lighter. This in turn leads to a fall in the air pressure. This could be a reason behind a low pressure belt in the tropics. Fifth question, with which pressure belts are the winds in the temperate zone associated? Answer, the winds in the temperate zone are associated with the mid-latitudinal high pressure belt. And the last sixth question, write a latitudinal extent of the low pressure belts. Answer, the latitudinal extent of the low pressure belt is between 0 degree and 5 degree parallel and between 55 degree and 65 degree parallel in both the hemisphere.